One lovely morning. Warm smile. Sunny talks. Thinking of nothing at all. A toast of love. Warm aromas rise, calming deep inside. Smooth and sweet. A perfect moment indeed. People love coffee. They love it around the world. This love, this longing for the finest and best coffee indulgence is what drives us to create coffee machines that allow anyone to make and enjoy the most delicious coffee. Introducing the new WMF Espresso, the new milestone in commercial coffee preparation. Taking the lead with a new technology, we enable anyone to produce what the world has shown to be the most popular and exclusive coffee drink. The espresso. The cup of 800 aromas, usually perfectly handmade by baristas, with all the knowledge, passion, and love that they put into the preparation. So we are a bit sorry to announce that with the new WMF Espresso, we have re-engineered the craftsmanship of coffee production. We have finally eliminated all those steps that can easily lead to failure. Nobody has to be perfect to produce the perfect coffee. In terms of business, this means you can hire who you want for a perfect handcrafted coffee, handmade automatically.